Okay, hi guys. Welcome to this tutorial on how to sign up on XNext broker. Okay, first of all, click on open account. Wait for your browser to load. Then, okay, you'll be brought up to this page where you put in all your necessary details. Okay, I highly recommend XNext because it's what I personally use, and I have forex traders that uses this broker too, and they have good reviews on XNext. So you put in your necessary details, your country. I'll be using Nigeria for this tutorial, your email address, and choose a strong password. Okay. Then make sure you put in all your necessary details and tick that box right there if you are not in the US or you aren't a resident there. Then click on continue when you are done. For Xness, I usually recommend you use MetaTrader 5 because that's what they work with. MetaTrader 5 is where you run your trades. That's the trading platform. Why Xness is the broker. So once you have gotten there, click on real account so you can make a deposit. Okay, the minimum deposit you should be making is $200. It depends. The minimum deposit you should be making here is $200. I usually recommend you do higher than that because low accounts usually get blown up, and higher accounts it's usually better. So click on real account, but don't worry, you're still going to use your demo account if you are new to forex. That is why a demo account is usually created. Okay, on Xness your demo account usually has $10,000 for you to practice with. So once you are like fully ready, then you use your real account. Okay, I forgot to add. Remember to verify your email address and verify your Xnext account using your national ID. Use whatever payment method you want and take note of it. You can be using your bank card or whatever other payment method you can see below. So just use anyone that is suitable for you and take note of it. Remember, building wealth through forex is long term, so you don't be in a haste to withdraw your money. Make sure to verify your profile. Okay, a lot of people make this mistake. Make sure to verify your profile before making deposit into your real account. They won't even allow you to make deposit without verifying your account. So make sure to verify your profile. Click on that button to verify your profile before making deposit into your real account. Forex trading is not a get rich quick scheme. So forget all these things you have been hearing about forex trading. It's not something that will just make you rich. Okay, it's long term, so just take your time and learn before you start to earn. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos on how to make money online.